Hello guys, welcome to part 2. Sorry I missed yesterday because I forgot. He saw the view count. I'm gonna make him angry. And I'm also gonna read this thing into chaos because he didn't comment. Don't worry, I'm not begging. I'm not a beggar at all. My voice. Okay. He's angry. Comment or burn in the inferno. You must make the inferno stop. What? Why? The inferno. I'm gonna make this inferno. Wait. Bye guys, and